Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. Depression and your diet are directly linked. Diets, such as the Mediterranean diet, have been tested and found to be effective coping skills for depression. If you reduce the amount of food you consume, they can have a negative impact on your mood and brain. You will be changing the way you feel. Examples of such food include caffeine, trans fats, refined carbs, sugar, and alcohol. Skipping meals can also have a negative effect on your mood, leaving you feeling irritable and tired. Try to supplement your diet with B vitamins because their deficiencies can trigger depression. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, will help to stabilize your mood. God bless you as you try this.